Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Vital. In this video, I'm going to review the personal loans, credit line, and debt consolidation loan from US Alliance Financial Credit Union, and I believe it is one of the best credit union in the market right now. And the reason is that their approval procedure is very easy, simple, and straightforward. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. But remember, right after this video, I'm going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $5,000 business credit card with no credit check at all and not even a soft pull. So if you would like to know about that video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. It helps the YouTube algorithm and also helps this video to get to the wider audience. And don't forget to click on the bell icon because that's how you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. So let's compare these two loans and credit line side by side. So when it comes to the personal loan, you can use it for any need. And you don't need to mention that why you need the money for. The next one is debt consolidation loan. So when it comes to a debt consolidation loan, you can only use it to pay off your debt or credit cards. And the way you can do that you need to tell the US Alliance Financial that your loan or credit card belongs to a specific financial institution, and then they will pay it directly to them. And now let's talk about the line of credit. Well, also, as same as the personal loan, you can use the line of credit for any need. Now, when it comes to the fixed rate, yes, the personal loan has a low fixed rate, so as the debt consolidation loan. But when it comes to the credit line, it is not. So that's why I always tell everyone to use that line of credit and pay it in full at the end of every month. And I also call it the digital credit card, where you don't have a credit card, but instead of a credit card you have a debit card. Now let's go towards the third one. The personal and debt consolidation loan has established term from 12 to 36 months. But as a line of credit, you have to pay it just like credit card and use it accordingly. So there is no sense to have a term for it. But when it comes to the line of credit, it works just as a credit card and helps your credit a lot. So they actually report it to the credit bureaus, and all three credit bureaus, and shows it as a revolving credit just like a credit card. Now, what it means, it used to cover accounts overdraft. Yes. So what happens though, if you have a checking account and it's overdraft, you can use your line of credit to cover it. Now, the last one is that used to pay down high interest debt. It is only possible for debt consolidation loan. But remember, when you talk about having a personal loan and don't tell them that why you need it, you can also use it to pay your other loans. But believe me, when it comes to the personal loans, usually their interest and APR is quite high as compared to other loans. So remember never to use your personal loan to pay off your credit card or your loan unless it is a very high need of yours. And the great thing about all of these things, that you can pre-qualify without affecting your credit score. So it means you can always click on the pre-qualification and it will open a form for you. You need to fill the form and give them your social security number. Don't worry, it will not affect your credit score. It will just do a soft pull and let you know whether you're approved or denied, and if you are approved, then how much you are approved for. And one more thing, that US Alliance Financial is a credit union. So when it comes to the credit union, the first question arises in the mind: how can we become a member of it? We all know that Navy Federal is also a credit union, but you have to be a member of Navy. But you have to be a member of US Navy, or any of your relatives has to be in the Navy in order to be a part of Navy Federal Credit Union. But when it comes to the US Alliance Financial, no, all you need to do, you need to just open an account with them by clicking on this link. I'll post the link below in the video's description. They do check your check system. So what check system is, that how many checking account you have, and And if any of your account got closed because of overdraft in past, then they will not open an account for you. So remember, they only do the check system and they don't check your credit report. So that's a plus for a lot of people out there. You can always use all of these three things, especially debt consolidation and line of credit, to build your credit. Well, I also made another video when I talked about their credit card. So if you haven't watched that video, please watch that video. I'm also going to link that video in the end of this video so you can click on it and go to that video and watch it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.